Okay, we are rolling.
We're going now?
Yeah. Action.
No?
It reminds me of something.
What could that possibly remind you of?
A geisha?
Right. Geisha.
It's not even.
Pull yourself together.
I did it!
However you want to say it. Give us some practice runs. Give it. I did it. All ashamed or cocky or excited.
Like, I did it. Or it could be, I don't know. I'm not good.
Just do it however you want to do it.
I did it.
You can't be laughing, Sophia.
Well, it was she like looked over and then looked back, and I was like, oh.
It was supposed to be like a embarrassed sort of.
Okay, we'll try it again. We'll try. No,
Can you hear it? Was that loud enough?
Here. Action.